welcome back to Gipsyrosepaperie. Today I have an unboxing and it's your Creative Studio. I believe this is her November kit. So we'll jump right into it because I tend to ramble a lot during these. I already pre-cut just to save us some time, but I haven't looked at anything in here. Let's open. Let's just lift it up like we usually do. Oh, we have things falling out. Okay, get this box out of the way and let's just open. So this is what it looks like, and she has her thank you card. Oh, that is lovely. I'm gonna put that in my winter journal. So first we have note cards. So these look really cute. They look like almost like labels. I thought they were individuals, but they're not. It's like a little notepad. There's like an adhesive here holding it together, so it's like a pad, so you don't have to worry about them coming apart. But this is really cool. I like that they're stuck together like that. So different types of paper. We have some like bordered, some dot grid. Let's see, I think, yeah, these are all dot grid. Some more borders, and this one is cream, and then just some lined paper. I think out of my favorite, it's probably this first one. I really love muted colors. And then we have some vintage stickers. I think she has some really good stickers in her kits, and they're very holiday-ish. I feel like this red yells Christmas. So just different types of ephemera. Very cool. And it always helps when they're already stickered like this, instead of you having to glue stuff down. I'm feeling these red and cream ones. These are cool too. So like tickets, check. What else we have here? Some more sort of stubs. This is cool. It says ice. That will be good for like a winter themed spread. Telegraph tickets. Rain check. That's cool. Baseball tickets. Like old-timey ones. And advertisements. So these are really cool. They give me sort of like Tim Holtz vibes. I love when they come like in a little matchbox like this. So adorable. I'm a sucker for packaging. I think these are all stamped, and I want to leave these for last because I actually want to stamp them in my journal for you. Oh, this is adorable. Oh, are you guys seeing this? This is so cute. Oh, I'm definitely putting this in my journal right now. That is stunning. It's a little bookmark, magnetic, and it's a stag and a little baby fawn. Maybe here. Let's see. Oh yeah, yeah. That is so cute. I hope you guys can see that. I can never tell. There you go. When I'm on screen or not. Even though I tape the area off, and when I want to come closer, it's hard to see. So cool. Love that. Then we have some clear. I won't take these out. Obviously, they're like fern leaves and they're transparent. So these are great to layer over stuff because you can still see behind them. I love when she includes these stickers. And then we have some of these stickers too. I think it's a sticker sheet, and you could probably cut out. These are super cool. I can't wait to use this in my journal. This is another stamp. Oh, we've got quite a few. I love this kit. Look at this. These are sticky notes. Well, I really like that other one. I think it was September. It had all the woodland animals, but this one is also gotta be right up there with one of my faves. Oh, this is so cute. Let me see if I can bring this closer so you guys can really see the detail. Look at that. Amazing. Because it's so cute. Very cool. This one is sticker stamps. So we have some whales, some birds, more birds, little cat. So cute. So detailed. Oh, that was cool. Australia. Squirrels. So lots of animals. Here we go. I think we're starting to be... I'll get into the doubles here. Super cool. Love that. So some very cool stamps in here. All right. So those are the stamp stickers. Since we're already like staring at him, we're gonna take these out. These are like that vellum sort of rice paper. Love these. Again, stags, reindeer, woodland, all up my alley. I love them. This is a stunning kit. I feel like this should almost be December's because it's got like reindeer and stuff. Oh, these are so cute. These are stunning. Are you guys seeing these? And it's really good, thick quality cardstock. I think these are stickers. Yeah, it's like a big washi sheet. I wasn't gonna take them out, but now I'm curious. I thought they were individual stickers, but no. They're like one huge washi sheet. So that's really cool. It's like rice paper. And you could see through these, so you could like layer up and create different effects with it. And then we have, oh, this one's washi. This one is not a stamp. This is beautiful. So it's washi and it's different, like deer behind, or rather backed onto like book page. This is beautiful. Probably one of my favorite washis I've gotten in these kits. This is a hoard washi. Just kidding. And now I believe, yes, this is a stamp. So pretty. It's like an old-timey deer. We're going to just fold it over on itself. And just do that. Works like a charm. And then we have our ink. Get it nice and covered in that ink. And then let's try. Let's use like a plain page like this one. Whoa, that is stunning. Isn't that beautiful? I'm excited. I love this kit. I really want to like make something as soon as I finish this video. Okay, next we have another stamp. Oh, these are tiny ones. Oh my gosh, they're too cute. Adorable. Look at that. So cute. Okay. Wow. That detail on these tiny ones is crazy. Like even the faces. I hope you can see that. That's nuts. Ooh, I'm excited for the third one. Okay. Let's put these back. And then we have this one. It's hilarious. Are you guys seeing this? That is so funny. Right here I think would be good. Okay, let's try. That is so funny. He fainted because she was so stunning. That is so cute. Alright, so that is it. That is it for your Creative Studio's November box. You can go to her site. I'll link it down in the description if you wanted to subscribe. I'm excited to start working on, or in rather, my winter journal. As you guys can see, I already started thanks to your Creative Studio. And one thing I want to say about these boxes is that even when I'm like creatively at a low point, when I open these boxes and I see what's in here, I like automatically get inspired. And that might not be the same for everybody, but it just is for me. Like when I see something curated like this, like the ideas kind of percolate faster. So I want to thank you guys again so much for stopping by. I love you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.